Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you Chinese safe lock with one turn only, 3+3 plates, no anti-picking. This is, we call it China 3 because it's 3+3 pins. Simply reset. Here I have used external manipulator, medium traction, not too loose, not too strong. Always on a flat surface. Insert. I'm gonna decrease the force. And that's it. So let me show you the lock. You can see 3+3. I'm not sure of the model, but as you saw, it's quite easy to overcome. So this is gonna be called China 3+3, part of Pro Edition series. Thanks for watching.